Where are we going, kiddos?
Stay at Grandma and Granddad's house.
That's right. Are you snuggling Mickey and Minnie? Oh.
Yeah, are you going to be an astronomy nerd just like your older brother?
Are you Bob Ross?
No, I'm drawing kid.
Your drawing kid?
I'm Bob kid.
Bob kid. Are there any happy little clouds?
Just a little bit of red, and I'm just making X's out of it. There's a little bit of yellow ochre.
Yellow ochre. And did I hear you were using some titanium white too?
It's the parking lots. If you want to go to the United States of America.
That's the parking lot for the United States of America. Kiddos.
Stay at Grandma and Granddad's house.
That's right. You guys are gonna stay for 2 whole nights. You guys haven't done that in a long time.
We are gonna stay at Grandma and Granddad's house for 2 days.
Yes. And Teo is gonna stay home with us, but still, like, the baby is
because
right now. So this is going to be a nice little break for Mommy and Daddy too, huh? Alex, did you get a new pair of glasses? Push them up, buddy. We finally found a pair on Zenny Optical. I will link them below, but I had a couple of friends suggest them to me, that they are online and you can, as long as you have your prescription, and can measure your child's eyes or your own eyes or whatever, you can order online and they're a lot more affordable than your optometrist. Alice's new glasses. I like them. I like these ones the best. These are my favorite. I think they look good.
Now turn off the vlog.
We gotta get to Grandma and Granddad's house, don't we?
Yeah, now turn off the vlog.
Okay, let's go. Freedom. I'm just taking a little stop at a viewpoint at the water on the way to just have a moment entirely to myself, kid-free, and it is amazing. Check out the view. I love Washington. I love our home. It's so beautiful here. Oh, Daddy's gonna be so proud. You're getting excited about Legos. Look. Look. You put another one on there? Yeah. Oh, good boy. Look. Yeah. Book. 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 Do you love it when we're out and about? You just get so chatty when we're walking. Yeah. How was Grandma and Granddad's house? Did you have so much fun? I'm so happy to see you. Hello there.
Oh, we found a mommy and a daddy.
Why don't you show these to your mommy?
What did you make?
Mommy, I'm so happy to be home.
Oh, you are? I'm so happy to see you. I missed you so much.
Your house
Oh,
looks beautiful.
it's amazing how clean your house can be when there are no kids running around.
Stay, huh?
You
Stay.
gotta keep it this way.
Oh.
Yeah, enjoy it. It'll last for 2 minutes. All right, so what is this, Sophie?
That one's with a hurricane with an eye in the center.
And a fox.
And that's a fox.
It's a window fox.
A window
Yeah,
fox.
he's holding a window or something.
He's holding a window.
Uh-huh.
Okay. 3-year-old art.
By the way,
Flower and stem. Oh, I see.
it could be either one. It could be yeah.
You guys were busy.
This was all this morning.
Really? She loves doing art. Minnie and Daisy telling jokes and giggling. Sophie, I love your art. Sophie Greenleaf, her middle name. Minnie and Mickey are happy dancing together. Pluto is dancing too. So she dictated all these to you. We could turn these into a little book.
I like that one.
Here's a whale with a beak. Scary little ghost turns into a nice little ghost. Okay.
And then-
sad little Noko. Oh, from Poco and Noko.
Yeah.
Her imaginary
I
friends.
says, well, what's this one's name? So she said Noko, and I didn't know that, but
Yeah, her imaginary friends are Poco and Noko.
okay.
Those are their
so
names.
she said Poco too. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, she's been busy.
All this morning.
Grandma keeps them entertained. Hey Sophie, thank you for all this beautiful art.
That was cute.
Happy birthday to Daddy. Hugs, Sophie. Because Daddy's birthday is what, tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Daddy's birthday is tomorrow.
Boy, oy, 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 thing again.
Boy, oy, 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 oy.
Alex, did you have so much fun at Grandma and Granddad's?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We played bingo last night for a while, didn't we? And we read books. Hide and seek.
We hide in the curtains in Granddad's bathtub.
Oh, in the shower curtain.
Oh, you hid behind the shower curtain. That's a good place to hide.
Sophie read to me last night.
Oh yeah?
She's really wanting to read.
She's really eager to read.
She has.
Well, we certainly appreciate it.
Well, it was our pleasure.
Yeah, it's nice to get just a little bit of a break every once in a while.
Right.
Feel ready to face the parenthood again.
Yep. Yeah. Just kind of get a little.
And my house is
rejuvenation.
clean for 2 days. Don't blink.
Can
you say more? More? More. That's a good boy. More. And look at you standing all by yourself. Oh my goodness. Are you snuggling Mickey and Minnie? Oh. You're such a sweet boy. Mickey. Aww.
I got some cards with Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto on them I made at Granddad's house.
I know. Did you go show Daddy? Or maybe we should show him tomorrow for his birthday. Oh, and are you having a slumber party with Minnie? Aw, that's so sweet. You kids love Mickey and Minnie. We're having a Planet Dance party here.
Yeah. Yeah, are you gonna be an astronomy nerd just like your older brother? Ball. Right.
Yeah. Planets are round, therefore they are ball. Is that exciting? You guys are rocking out. Oh, are you gonna get in on it too? Are you gonna get in on it too, Sophie? You gonna dance?
Wearing my sweater. My Christmas sweater on the 12th day of Christmas.
You're being chatty. You're a little detail boy.
He's only got half the map.
He's sticking your tongue out. Are we having a sticking out our tongues party? Can you introduce your show to me?
I probably need a little bit of light. This is I'm having a show too.
Okay, you guys both
I
having...
mean, probably need just a little bit of light for you.
Are you Bob Ross?
No, I'm just a drawing kid.
You're drawing kid?
I'm Bob kid.
Bob kid?
Bob kid. Yeah. Just starting to make green grass. And so I just have to add a little bit of light green.
Are you drawing a sunrise over the ocean?
We're making the grass now, and so I just gotta add a
Hold on.
little bit of light green to it.
Are there any happy little clouds?
Just a little bit.
Or happy little trees or rocks? What are you working on now, Alex?
I'm working on a sunrise, and so I just got just a little bit of red, and I'm just making X's out of it right now.
Oh, okay.
This is how for my sunrise.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Alright, now we need a little bit of yellow ochre, so we just
What color?
yellow ochre.
Yellow ochre. And did I hear you were using some titanium white too?
And I need a little bit of yellow ochre.
Can you show me your map of the neighborhood? You're making out of your little sequin pillow.
And this is back home. And this over here is Oregon. And right here is Port Angeles.
Oh. So you've got 2 states on there. You've got Washington and Oregon on there.
And there's Port Angeles on there too.
And Port Angeles? Port Angeles is in Washington.
Yeah, it is. This right here is Washington. And that's the house we stayed in.
In Port Angeles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What would it be like if you're on
That's very creative.
This is the United States of America.
Oh, it's the United States of America now?
That's the United States of America.
Oh.
And all of here is all the houses.
Oh, okay. All of the houses in the United States.
This is where William lives, right there.
Oh, that's where our friend William lives.
Yeah.
I'll have to tell his mommy you said that. Who else is on this map?
There's nobody else. Just William and us.
Oh, is William your best friend?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice.
He was at school today.
Were you happy to see your friend the first day back at school after vacation?
And we talked about I wanted to snow too.
You talked about how you want it to snow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want it to snow too, Sophie.
So we could build a snowman.
I want to build a snowman too.
This is where William lives, and right here is our country.
Our country? We live in the same country as William. The United States is a big place.
And that's the United States of America. United States of America. And right there is the parking lots. If you want to go to the United States of America.
That's the parking lot for the United States of America. You're a character.
I'm a character.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not a character.
What are you?
I'm a real girl.
You're a real girl, you're not a character.
This is the United States of America.
You crack me up.
Who's dancing with us?
You guys dancing the Nutcracker?
Who's dancing too?
Oh, look at you guys.